We started outside, but it was too hot. Sorry.
Take.
Well, hi.
Well, hi there.
Wow, this is really going well. Welcome. Yeah, we got it right.
We got it.
Okay, let's start.
We are the K-Roos.
Ziz.
That's how we pronounce.
She stole my name.
I stole his name. And welcome to our travel channel.
Sweating, not sweating. Sweating, not sweating. This is funny.
Come live in Nicaragua. It's cheap, they say. We got upgraded.
She burns.
I'm a ginger. I have no soul. And
Or friends.
Or friends.
They got me.
I got a little burnt. We are traveling
South and Central America.
and potentially more.
We're starting there.
We're starting there. But we are not traditional travelers.
Time travel. No. We need a gym because we train.
Yes. Welcome to our gym.
Probably will go look at things that
Yes.
people would go look at.
Yes. Like climbing volcanoes.
Yeah.
Peeling eggs in a volcano.
Yes, don't go do that.
No, don't do that.
I still got the scar.
Yeah, like don't risk your life to climb a volcano.
Something's boiling.
Something's boiling. So this is our page where we give you advice on if you were to go to a place.
Looks like I'm adjusting something.
Shh. What? We are focused on fitness and health. So wherever we go, our priority is finding cheap, whole, good food that we can meal prep rather than spending too much time at restaurants. So we will give you feedback on the different locations that we go to, but we are not professional travelers. We are not professional.
No professional advice.
No professional advice. Just
Seek
us.
help legally if you
This is just to for us to capture our memories
while we actually look for a place to move to.
Yeah.
Like, subscribe.
Yes, that's kind of important. Like and subscribe to our channel, please. But welcome to our page.
I don't know why we're pointing here.
No, this is the kitchen. Doing my workout.
Sandbag carry.
Sandbag. What do you want?
Energy drinks.
What do we get?
And eggs.
Come around the other side.
Oh,
This is my good side.
my good side.
But you don't have a bad side.
Neither do you.
I almost fucked up there and said like
You don't have a good side.
You don't have a good side.